The 2015 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, navigation system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows, passenger airbag. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.